Right, hello, I hope everyone is well. I'm doing a video on the main channel today. If you don't know and you don't follow me on Instagram, I've actually started up a second channel, which is a gaming channel. We basically just play games. We've got a little Minecraft Let's Play on the go at the moment. So if that's something you'd be interested in, you can find the link. It should be in the description, if I have linked it correctly. If you look in the description and the link is not working, please let me know in the comments, because when I checked it was alright. But in this video we're going to be talking about things I dislike. I wouldn't necessarily say hate, because I don't hate anything about this car. I love this car. It was my dream car for about, I don't know, 5-10 years maybe, since I was a little kid. And I've got one now, and they're quite good. Best, like, it cost me £1,000, so you can't really complain when you're buying something for £1,000. I bought a Renault Clio for like £950, and I'd much rather this than a Renault Clio. But I've just finished work. I'm currently waiting for the engine to warm up. You can probably hear it idling away because it's not the quietest of cars. It can be quite noisy actually, which is one of my I ain't necessarily going to do a certain amount of complaints, because I'm just going to allow them to come to me as I'm talking. But my main complaint is, it's not even a main complaint, I shouldn't even say that. One of my complaints are, you can see I'm all in my work trousers and shit like that. But my main, I don't know why I keep fucking saying main complaint. It's not a main complaint. I haven't got any main complaints about this car. The dashboard is a bit boring. I was about to say I don't need electric windows, but electric windows would be nice. But I do believe you can get the Mark II Mx5 with electric windows. So I must just have the bottom spec one, and it just hasn't come with it. But cup holders. I need some cup holders. I haven't got any. None. I want a cup holder right here or here. Like, I know in some models it does come with a cup holder, so I'm wondering if I can take this whole thing out and then just slide in a cup holder one. Speaking about cup holders, when I do have a drink that I need to hold, it gets inserted in there because it's the only place I can keep it. A couple good things I like about the car while I remember. I like this little storage compartment. That's about it. Good place to put weed when you pick up. I like this little storage compartment as well. Nice little place to put fucking shit. Glove box is nice and big. That's a nice thing I got to say about it. It's currently full of golf balls at the moment. Standard. But yeah, wind down windows are a bit long, as I like to say, keep fit windows. Mine are a bit stiff as well, which is a bit annoying. So if anyone knows how to unstiff and wind down windows, let me know. My speedometer isn't working, but that's nothing to do with the Mazda. That's kind of my fault, I guess, because I haven't fixed it. I've taken it to 3 different dealers, like mechanics, and all of them have told me they wouldn't even know where to start with it, and they don't know what to do with it, which is good. So I've currently been driving around with no speedo, which is kind of long because I have to guess it everywhere I'm going. But at the end of the day, it's better than no speedo. But I think that's all my nitpicks for the inside of the car. I love the soft top, obviously. I actually really like these seats. These ain't the expensive ones. They're kind of like the cheap ones, if that makes sense, because, well, they're just cheap. I think you can get leather ones, I'm not too sure. But let me open up the, pull the bonnet latch, and then we'll open up the boot, and we'll have a look. One criticism I do have in here, it likes to get really dirty. Again, that's my fault for not cleaning it. But all this stuff is like, it's like mud, but it's like petrol. It's weird. This fills up with water, and it gets dangerously close to the top of this. But the car needs a clean. Some of this stuff is actually on the paintwork, which is another reason why it was probably £1,000. I'm messy. I haven't cleaned this out, but there's nothing necessarily I don't dislike in here. It's a boot. It's bigger than what I thought the boot was going to be, considering how small the car is. But we'll have a look under the bonnet now. Alright, welcome to the inside of the rust bucket. As you can see, there's quite a bit of surface rust. This is a really big problem for the Mark II Mx5s, this little arm thing. if this starts rotting, you might as well throw it away. From what I can see and from what I can guess, this isn't too bad. It all looks like surface rust to me. Like, it's all quite structurally sound, except down here is probably like the worst bit of rust I actually have. It's all right down here. It's just this front little bit here, and I hate the way that the intake is right here, and it's all the way along, and then it goes through here, then it goes all the way down here. That's so long. So I need to sort that out. I will be doing a video on when I change the intake. But the best thing I love about this is having being able to pull the throttle there. I think that's sick. Again, it's not really the car's problem, but it's a bit tricky to get in and out of. I feel like the best way to do it for me is to put a leg in like that, grab the steering wheel, and you just got to swing in and then adjust. But as you can see, my legs are quite close to the steering wheel. The chair does not go any further back, so it's a bit snug. If I actually sit up straight, you can see there's like not that much room at all between the top of the thing and my head, but I actually kind of drive slouched a little because I have really bad posture. But I'm about to go home, roll up a joint. I'm going to edit this video while I smoke a joint, and then I'm just going to chill for a bit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, you can catch some new videos on my second channel if you haven't followed that already, or subscribe to it, whatever the fuck you do on YouTube. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.